let's talk about purpose as an important concept. Do you believe that it is essential, it is necessary for individuals, you included, to have a good understanding of your purpose?
Most definitely. I personally believe that everyone in life has a purpose. And a purpose is not just the words, but how we live our life to achieve something. So, for example, my purpose in life is to work and help humanity in every way and form. So I've dedicated my entire life to working in the service industry to help humanity, both as a volunteer and as a businessman. And it's more action, things that you do to accomplish the task of helping. Some individuals will talk a good talk, but at the end of the day, what did you achieve at the end? And so achievement is of critical importance to me when you look at purpose. What do you achieve? And as we move along, I can go into details in terms of achievements.
Absolutely, absolutely. So you're saying that while some individuals talk, you walk. And
right.
Walking is action.
Yes.
Absolutely.
It's an action word, a means to an end. So basically, you can talk all you want to talk about purpose, but at the end of the day, what do you achieve out of that scenario? So for example, I've said, my purpose in life is to help humanity, right? So at an early age, I decided to go into the teaching career and achieve my goal of becoming a teacher. And being a teacher / educator, then you work with humanity. You're working with young minds, developing and molding young minds. So now you are seeing the fruits of your labor in terms of your purpose by helping humans to develop their true innate potential.